what's up everyone? So today is March, no not March, please move on na. It's already April 1.
350, 350.
So this is the favorite one of my mom, guys. So we are in front of Jolly's and this is Bumbles. We call it Bumbles, guys. So yeah, I'm excited. Look at my mom. I will let her pick what she wants. Guys, let's see what my mom she wants, you know. So I'm here. So yeah, hopefully guys that we can ask discount. So if you're looking at flowers, this is just beside by the main road, no, of Binunangan, Southern Leyte, guys. So you can visit here, and it's not really bad the price, guys, what I expect, because mostly this one is like 1,000 plus, you know. The price right here is until the range is 180 to 350. So yeah,
Brazilian ba?
we asked discount, guys, 300 pesos from 350, no. So this is the flower or the color, you know, that my mom she picked as she chose, and they're still talking about that thing, because I asked Kuya how much your last price for that one. That one is 180, so he will give only 150. So look at me, guys, I know how to negotiate, you know. Anyway guys, actually this is still continuation of our birthday gift of my mom. Hi ma! Birthday gift. Thank you very much daw. So thank you so much again. You know who you are. Thank you, Lord God, for all the instruments, because guys, honestly, my mom she had a gift and then I just keep it, no, because I know this one she really like these flowers, guys, no, Bumbles, we call it Bumbles, guys. Wow, look at that, it's pretty, no? So you can find Kuya, he's the seller right here. So give me thumbs up, guys. So yeah, 300 and 150. Give me thumbs up.